And coming up next on Public Radio, Policy Talk.
At camp that night, St. Marguerite's is having its second annual Ladies Auxiliary 5-pin bowling tournament.
Hello, I'm Ronnie Jo Dalchuk.
And I'm Helena Michaels.
And you're listening to OSBA's Policy Talk. How have you been spending your time since our last episode, Helena?
Well, Ronnie Jo, I've been super busy since the December PDQ. The resolutions have just been flying in, and I've been creating custom charts for districts regarding the State Board and ODE restructuring and renaming. The new agency is called the Ohio Department of Education and Workforce, or for short, ODU. So the question is, to do or not to do?
Helena, that's so funny. Did you think of that just now?
No, I thought of it months ago, and I've just been waiting for the perfect time to use it.
Neat.
Fun.
Good times.
Good times. Well, Johnny Joe, what's been trending on your policy feed?
Well, Helena, do you feel that electricity in the air? That tinkle can only mean one thing. It's PDQ season again, our favorite time of the year.
Yes.
And with back to school season also in full swing, it means our policy contacts are feeling the full onslaught. But lucky for us, we have a policy expert with us today. It's OSBA policy consultant Gami Narvaez to help us with some time-saving tips for policy updates. Welcome back, Gami.
Thanks, ladies. I've been feeling that PDQ tingle in my spine for weeks now. My doctor says it's probably just a herniated disc, but I knew it had to be policy related.
Oh, look, we have a caller.
Hello, long-time listener, first-time caller. I just downloaded the August PDQ samples, and I'm wondering if I should include the samples from the other section in my board's agenda packet so they can vote on them.
Well, the samples in the other section only require updates to legal references, which are a non-substantive change. So the board does not need to make a vote on a non-substantive change. Our crack OSBA update team will revise those legal references on your district's behalf. Just put a Y on the update review form in the update legal references column. No board vote required.
Hold the phone, Gami. Are you saying that the board doesn't need to review the sample policy that appears in the other section of the PDQ?
Now, Helena, a question like that will herniate my disc. The district must still review their policy along with the sample and our PDQ articles to ensure that their current policy language is up to date with our latest samples. Anyway, if I may end with an advertisement.
Please do.
We'd love for all of you admins to register for our Administrative Professionals Workshop happening on October 11th this year. We'll go over all sorts of useful tips and best practices to make you more confident and efficient in your roles. Personally, I will be covering the fears and wonders of artificial intelligences. Are they helpful tools to simplify office work, or are they just our future technological overlords lying in wait? I don't know. I haven't finished my presentation yet.
I didn't EDE see that coming.
Fun.
Good times.
Good times. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Please join us next time as we discuss org charts.
That was another exciting episode of Policy Talk. Coming up next, 400 recipes for putting pumpkin in your coffee.